A big surprise that a lot of buyers have when they talk to me for the first time is when I suggest they start talking to a lender before they buy. Hi, this is Recharging with Champions, and I'm your host, Charlotte Harrell. Today, we are going to jump into the when should I start this whole crazy pre-approval process when I'm thinking about buying a home. First off, I need to tell you that it really depends on the situation. If you've got a buyer who's self-employed, then they need to start having this conversation at least a year before they're ready to buy. Because tax returns and self-employment income and bank statements and all of the options that we have for self-employed, a lot of times take some planning. If your client is a self-employed borrower, talk to the lender at least a year before you're ready to make a move. That lender should be able to do a soft credit pull. By the way, make sure you're working with a lender that can do a soft credit pull. They can look at the income that you have right now, and they can just plan and make sure that you're setting yourself up perfectly for that next year when it's time to buy a house. Second, if you've got somebody that is new to credit or has had some credit bumps in the past and they think they're making great headway, I say 6 months. A lot of times we might be making headway on our credit, but we need to make sure we're doing the exact right steps to make sure that our credit is in as best shape as we possibly can when it's time to buy. So I like to say 6 months prior to buying, they should be connecting with the lender that can look and do a soft pull again on their credit, make sure they're in line and that their credit is in a good space, or give them the step-by-step as to what they can do to make sure that that credit is in a good space. Last, if you have good credit and you know that your income is pretty stable, you don't have any weird wonky income issues, then I still say 90 days. 90 days before you're ready to start looking is a good time to connect with your mortgage lender. That way, again, if there's anything reporting on your credit that you didn't know about, or if the income has any movement that we need to address, this 90 days gives you plenty of time to make sure that you are in a good place when it comes to home buying. Now remember, I have got this script already made for you. I want you to get on video. Please, that's the idea. Go and grab the script on rechargingwithchampions.com. Right now, if during the beta time, I have got this completely free for anyone that registers. Register using the code word LEGACY, and you will get all the tools on Recharging with Champions completely free forever. Make sure you do this before Recharging with Champions has a fee, but come and help me build this website, give me feedback, and check out the scripts and make a video using this information. We'll see you tomorrow.